Angelica Panganiban welcomed the new year as Mrs. Homan after marrying her non-showbiz partner Greg in Los Angeles on December 31. The 37-year-old shared the good news on her Instagram account showing photos of their Simple Garden wedding ceremony as captured by celebrity photographer Pat D. Also with them is their 1-year-old daughter Amila Sabin 12/31/23. Patuloy na mananalig at maniniwala sa pag-ibig. Sa kabila ng lahat, ang pagmamahal pa rin ang kakapitan. Continue to trust and believe in love. Despite everything, we cling to love. Maligayang bagong taon, Happy New Year, Mrs. Angelica Panganiban Homan, heart emoji Panganiban wrote. The actress also reposted photos of her and Homan spending moments in fast food restaurant In-N-Out Burger wearing her white knee-length wedding dress with sneakers. While her husband looked dapper wearing the same nude tux he put on during the ceremony. The post garnered congratulatory messages from her celebrity friends Ann Curtis, Vong Navarro, Bella Padilla, Glyza De Castro, Luis Manzano and Iza Calzado, among many others. It was in a YouTube vlog titled, So, This Happened, The Proposal, released on October 8, 2022 when Panganiban revealed how Homan proposed to her during a beach vacation. The couple crossed paths in 2020 while Panganiban was working on a teleserye in Subic, where Homan lives.